and move with the sound to the earthquake.
Is that a huge jelly dessert out there?
I want to eat jelly dessert.
I'm still up here. Does anyone know where the TV is? Oh, there it is.
I hate my life so much.
What a really funny show. What's the purpose of this room again?
The theatre, where you guys will be attending the elimination ceremonies. The left side will be the lightning bolts and the right.
Get up here, base, before the other team catches up!
To the summer camp, where they were split into 2 teams and participated. For their first challenge, they had to rock climb this climbing wall.
Yes, we won!
Guys, the other team's not catching up.
Can we all just talk about how malicious this food is?
How's it like being the first team to lose?
BFLH Junior. It is my favorite show. Inanimate insanity.